Hello, traders. She told me she was going to scalp, and I was like, when? She's like, when New York open. I said, all right, let's do it. She's like, what? This is considered off of the 2 minute a big bar. We should get more of that down. But being New York open and NAS. Oh, you know what? I was supposed to look at Bitcoin today. I was supposed to be on Bitcoin today. That's okay. I'm deciding to, with traders with NAS, just lately, the past month and a half, you got to pivot with the market. And she just is not moving like she used to. I feel like you can get 10 minutes of momentum out of her. And then for the rest of the time, till about 10 or so, she just consolidates, doesn't do anything. It's very disappointing. So you got to move to what's moving. Definitely can get a lot off of Bitcoin. So we need to spend our time wisely. All right, so she did not continue to go. So when she doesn't continue to go like that, when she should have, then we could have immediate opposite direction. And that looks like what we've anticipated here. Off of the 15-second, you would have already had 50 points off of that move. Miss Z, can you measure for us right now where we're currently at up to the R8? Where we're currently at up to the R8, we can grab that.
You want that on the 5 minute?
1 minute. That can be, your stop loss can be right here, right underneath these two bars if she doesn't commit. How many points to the 8, please?
48.
Okay, traders, 48 times whatever your lot size is that's what you're running. Miss Z, what's 48 times 2, please?
96.
Okay, traders, 96 at a $2 lot if you want to do that. Remember, this is educational purposes only. What I'm teaching you, traders, is all the different types of thoughts that your mind should be running through, knowing what you want to do, and using market momentum laws and structure. And see, she's just messing with you here. How many points to get into the R8?
That was 46.
And how many?
48, I'm sorry. Yeah.
To the 200. Gotta write this down.
200. 87.
287. R8 was what, 40?
Yes.
Okay, traders, that's what's on the play right now for you. You can run to the 200 or you can run to the R8. Okay, you got 40 and 87. What do we want to do? We got support right here. We got support right here. She's going to go ahead and break that. She's going to break that support right there. She might break it and be a little huzzy and then shoot right the heck back up. But I'm anticipating she shoots down to the 200. I'm anticipating she shoots down to the 200. Stop loss right here. She doesn't do it. You got to just do it to take it and see if it will happen or not. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and run that play. Oh my gosh, I knew that was going to happen. I'm on the wrong position. I'm on the wrong asset. Okay, I can't look at the thing, but looks like in the corner of my eye, it's moving. Wow. Okay. See, this is what I'm talking about. This is a mess. They're just trying to shake you out. Look at that. For me, the type of trader I am, I really want the reaction right away. So when I don't get it, I get frustrated because I'm a scalper. I'm a fast scalper, and I want to move with the market when it should move. And when it doesn't move like this, it messes with my dance. because I'm ready for action. I'm ready to make a move. It's like it's like you're fighting, and then the person's like getting ready to throw a punch. And they're like, oh, hold on for a minute. My shoulder hurt. It's like, what? I thought you were just getting ready to punch me. Like, come on. I'm taking that sell right now down to the 200. Missy, right now to the 200. How many points, please? Stop loss is right above her. She doesn't commit. Stop loss is right up 25. Stop loss is right up here. She doesn't commit. 18088, 18088. If she doesn't commit, it's out. I'm going to do a manual exit, which can be risky, but it's good to have practice on just being able to manually do it, because they sell these stop losses and they make money off of that. So these big live traders, big ballers, they're not putting that sucker in. The risk in that is that it can fly up and shoot right past your exit TP and maybe your broker, like this one, which now I'm thinking about, I might put that sucker in because they don't like to exit my trade when I want them to exit it. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in really quickly. And this is where our executor on our team would already be doing this for us, so I don't have to look away and try to mess around with putting numbers in. We're going to hope that was right. Okay, there she goes. We're running to the 200. That's all I'm doing off of this trade. The other trade that we would have gotten in, all my teammate were already in that trade. Remember, I said that was an awesome entry. My goal was just to go to the tip or right to the 200. Might slam into it. I don't know, but I'm not being a greedy trader. I'm being a smart trader, and you're a smart trader too. Okay, there she goes down to that 800. Remember how I said that 800 was going to be there? I'm closing my trade. You know how I said that 800 was going to be there? There she is on the 15-second. Right here, see? There she is. Good job. Good job. Good job, traders. Now my profit's going down lower on that nice buy we got in yesterday, but that's okay. I don't even know. Did I put a TP on that one? Yeah. Okay. Back to the markets. Let's look at where we're at on the higher time frames. Ms. Z, were you able to put a fib on today? I know we got on late, and if you didn't, that's okay.
I did my fibs on the wrong broker,
Okay.
but I can drop some quickly if you need me to.
Yeah, if you can put a fib starting at the low at 8:30 today.
On the 15-minute on her?
That low to high fib. Looks like she's at the 50%.
You want a low to high on the 15-minute on her?
Yes, please. Okay, so we do have selling pressure now. We want to see if our 50 and our 100 close. They didn't close yet. Off of this 2-minute, we can see that we're almost at 50% retracement. On the 5-minute, we are at the P4. Worst, the lovely, strong support levels, traders, resistance levels, support and resistance. Okay, so she just fell. Remember, we were practicing this yesterday with our team. Sally's up. Sally is up. She just fell. It's very quickly. We should be able to make it back to this this green here. We should be able to make it back to that green here. And that's all we're trying to get. I'm going to go ahead and measure that while Miss Z is doing that fib. We should be back up there. That is 33 points, traders. 33 points, stop loss right above here. She doesn't do it. Looks like she's not going to commit that. Maybe that 800 she'll hold. But being able to run back up to here is 33 points. Stop loss right underneath there. I'm going to go ahead and try to do that.
I do have that fib up, Anna. We're right at the 38.
Oh, okay, right to 38. Oh, okay. So we're not quite yet at the heartbeat zone?
Not quite yet.
Okay. Thank you very much. All right. She's not going to run up there. And when I wanted her run to that green line, so I'm not taking that trade. She may do it, but I wanted her to do it then. We're on the 50 at the 5. And the low to high fib, we're at the 38, you said?
Yeah,
All right. Where was the
wait.
Okay, how many more points down to the last line defense, please, off of that 15-minute?
Yes.
Okay, so right here, traders, and I only know this because of my time in the chart, but this, now that we're on the 50 and our 200 right here and on our P4 of NAS, that she could just go ahead and mess around with you a lot here and run down to the 200, then suck back up in and all that drama. Like, you know what? Forget it. I'm not doing all that. I'm not playing that hit game today, especially since I got a rocky start before the session. We took 2 good trades, and we're at 952. So saving our good mindset for us. However, gonna shift gears and get out of the scalping mode and look at the big picture